Yeah, hi Drea. I'm looking at your e-portfolio right here, and everything looks really nice, but one thing I do see is you have a lot of area in your header here that we can get rid of. See, I have to scroll down to really start to see your header. This is about what it should look like when we get into it. Let me show you a tip here. So here I am in mine, and let's say, for example, I'm on my text here, and let's say I blow it way up, and it's really big, okay? And then I realize, you know what, I don't want it to be that big. I'm going to go ahead and scroll that back down to where it was. Well, you know what? That totally did not do what I thought it was going to do. So let me show you this way. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to bring this down. And hey, skip everything I just said there because that's not doing it either. They may have updated, but maybe we have this stretch on. See where it says stretch right here? So click in your header area, look for this option right here, and try to bring that up. That's what we should do right there. So that way, again, when you go and preview or look at yours, this kind of is the beginning of our actual header, if you will. So if you could do that for me, go ahead and open up your editor, see where you're at, and then all you got to do is hit publish, and I'll get the update, so you don't have to submit it again. Just go ahead and hit publish, and I'll get that update to it. So if you have any other questions, Drea, please let me know.